Hey, hey, YWG here at a friend of the family's house, and she has an American persimmon. This is actually my first time seeing a persimmon up this close. See if I can zoom in on for you. So what she said is we can pick from the tree. Um, Maybe not this one right here. I'm not sure if this is American persimmon, but let's get close. Wow, this looks good. So not only am I going to pick, but I'm also going to see if I could grab some branches. American persimmon is easier to root than it is the Asian one. Also, when you want to root, you want something soft, like the softwood. This is considered softwood because it's bending. Hardwood is a lot difficult. It's more difficult to propagate into a tree. This is this would be considered hardwood. So not only are we going to pick, but I am going to help her trim up some of these trees, grab some of these persimmons, take some branches home to root, and I keep you on my journey. American persimmon. I've never had one before. If we can get a lot, I'm gonna get a lot, make some jelly, and then also eat as fruit. Thanks for watching.